Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Upwork challenge app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on notification settings and come to this list here. So then you click on email updates. When you click here on email updates, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down here, so you keep going down and you come here to, sorry, when you keep going down here, you come here to scale here. You come here to Upwork has a tip to help me search. Clicking this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.